When it comes to the athletic footwear market, consumers want shoes that are intended for a game and other open exercises. There is an assortment of athletic footwear with many alternatives when it comes to shading, outline, and cost to fit the needs of individuals. Deals made through online channels, item dispatches, and showcasing has helped organizations develop a strong athletic footwear market. There is also a boost in the market from players showing interest in promotion and brand building. This gives companies incentive to pull in a lot of shoppers. However, crude material costs and engineer elastic has turned out to be difficult for the footwear market. The athletic footwear market is looked to find noteworthy development, expanding mindfulness, interest for agreeable and imaginative running and gym shoes, and developing internet business retail advertise. Developing advancements in the footwear market, such as 3D printed shoes, has helped provide usefulness and lightweight jogging and running shoes. Accessibility to materials and low work cost is what they want, and they can get out of 3D printing as it expands the shoe market. Companies like Nike, Adidas, New Balance, and Asics are part of the footwear industry. But only a select few of them have joined 3dshoes.com by looking into production using 3D printing. With the introduction of 3D printing athletic shoes, the athletic footwear market has been boosted.